Get ready, start. We are going to have the elections very soon. If we want to successfully manage the elections, we must have an efficient administrative machinery at the secretariat level as well as at the district level, and that would be constituted long before the election takes place. We have hardly a few months before us, and it would be absolutely necessary for the Home Ministry to give its attention to this matter and constitute the new services as early as possible. I hope the Home Ministry would give its best attention to this matter. This would also be necessary in connection with the working out of the 10th five-year plan. A disgruntled or disorganized civil service will not assist you in implementing the 10th plan. I would like to say few words about the division of assets and liabilities. You remember that in Mr. Van Chu's report, some specific recommendations have been made. Mr. Van Chu recommended, so far as the movable properties are concerned, a certain formula, and that was accepted in the Andhra bill. As regards immovable properties, it laid down that such immovable properties and buildings located in places which are in the districts will not be taken into consideration as they are mere concomitants, but such government buildings which are existing in the headquarters like Madras will be taken into consideration. They will be valued on the basis of the formula that those buildings which have been built prior to 2000 will be valued at double the work, the book value, and those that have been put up after 2000 would be valued according to the book value. This is a very reasonable suggestion. It is on that basis that the buildings in Madras were valued at nearly rupees 7 crores and odd. But Andhra, which was entitled to 36% of the same, was given about rupees 3 crores under section 9 of the Andhra Act. Unfortunately, when we come to the state's reorganization bill, none of these provisions are there. There is no provision for assessing the value of the buildings in big cities like Mumbai, Chennai, Hyderabad, Delhi, and other areas. What is going to happen? Mighty buildings have been put up in those places at the cost of the entire state, and every part of the state contributed for them. Huge engineering colleges for the benefit of the entire state were built up. They are not in a position to make a gift. Another curious thing that happened is that in the Van Chu report, it has been said that they must be valued.